So good morning to everybody. In this video we are going to see about electrostatic generator. Actually electrostatic generator converts mechanical energy to electrical energy by using electrostatic principle, whereas ordinary DC generators convert mechanical to electrical by electromagnetic principle. So let us go through the video now.
Stevenson from the Imagination Station. He's pulling some hovering magic in front of my very eyes right now. Jeff, what's going on?
Chris, you should know that using the Force isn't magic, okay? That's just standard Star Wars
science
lightsaber? Right there. It's actually my static one. We sell these in our gift shop. And I can actually pass this off to you if you want to get yours. Just get it charged up a little bit.
Okay.
And this is kind of a piece of like mylar, similar to like Christmas tinsel. And we have these sticks that kind of generate a static charge. So I'm talking to you about static charge today, and this is a really good time of year for static charge. You can see it's actually going to be attracted to your hand a little bit. Oh, and then you discharged it.
I discharged it.
You discharged it.
I felt the shock.
You felt, yeah, it kind of gave you a bit of a poke. They're really, really cool, and it's kind of a neat little Star Wars themed gift that we actually sell in our gift shop. So they're really cool, but this is kind of like the mini version of dealing with static electricity.
Fun for the kids to play with, too.
Oh, fun for you to play with, Chris. Don't lie, all right?
I act like a kid sometimes.
Well, what I decided to do is bring in our EG machine. So this is like a really big version of these little static wands here. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of that. All right, come on. I'm gonna trade you science devices.
I upgrade here. Okay.
So take this discharge wand, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my EG machine. What it is the big belt that pull it away a little bit. We're gonna, you might hear it on your mic. You might feel a little tingly. The important thing is that we're not gonna point at it.
Okay.
If you point at it, it's going to discharge off the tip of your finger. So instead, you're gonna bring your discharge wand closer and closer to it. And what this machine does is it pulls off electrons off that belt. And as you can see, it's causing a little bit of an arc.
Do you want me to touch it?
You can, but it's best if you hold it just a couple inches away. And each one of those discharges is discharging thousands and thousands of volts of electricity. And this is just by generating static electricity. So there's that belt kind of rubbing the same way you can rub your socks against the carpet.
And you get shocked when you touch the doorknob.
Yes, exactly. And it's due to an imbalance of charges. All right, that's pretty cool, right? Now, can you do me a favor and can you very gently touch the two domes together so you can actually push them together? Physically touch them so I can turn it off. Okay.
Gotcha.
Very cool.
So we discharged it.
You discharged it completely.
Okay.
So this is kind of similar to like, what maybe Darth Sidious does when he electrocutes Luke Skywalker, right?
Okay.
But he probably used not static electricity, but obviously the Force. So
sure.
We don't have to worry about that. This is kind of the classic science center experiment where you have your hair stand up, but the problem is I don't think your hair is going to stand up today. I don't think my hair is going to stand up today, but I did bring a wig in. So what I'll do is I'll put a wig on our EG machine. I'm not going to ask you to wear this, Chris. I could see the worried look in your eyes. You're like, oh man, he's going to ask me to wear this.
I got to hold my street credit out there, right?
So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn the machine on.
Okay.
And we're going to show you what we can do if you have kind of like really wispy long hair. Ooh, all right, hold on. Let me put it back on. Because there's actually another really cool thing you can do.
Allie Bradley frequently complains about her hair standing up.
Does it stand up quite like this?
Due to the humidity.
Now what's really cool is if my wig will stay on, which of course it won't, but what's really cool is you can actually discharge the charge on the hair with just a point, like I can use my pen here. Oh, it's not gonna stay on for me. That's okay.
Too much power.
Too much power.
Okay, wait, can I touch it?
Do you wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if it'll do it with your hair, but you can try. Go ahead and put one hand right on the top. Why don't you do the other hand?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna turn it on, and the important thing is that you don't take your hand off of the dome during this.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, now, let's see if we can't can you whisk your hair around a little bit?
Too much hairspray, Allie.
All right, you can see like a little bit.
Is it doing anything? No?
You need very light, fluffy hair in order for it to work, all right? Don't keep your hand on. Keep your hand. Oh. Okay.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. All right, so to kind of.
Wait, what happens if you let go?
You just found out.
You know how when we had this discharge wand getting closer to it and it was arcing, it'll do a similar thing to your hand. So it'll kind of give you a big shock.
Oh, I didn't
Dum,
feel
dum,
that,
dum.
but I felt stuff in my toes.
Oh, gotcha. So you were grounded. That was good. That was good. You were actually grounded.
Okay, I'll let you guys have this
Oh,
one
no,
back.
thank you,
Thanks,
thank you.
guys.
So to kind of finish it off, I figured I'd put on some packaging peanuts on the
Okay.
top of our dome here, and it's going to cause, let me get rid of this wig, there's wigs everywhere here. It's going to cause these packaging peanuts to just kind of fly up, because they
I
each
wonder
generate a
if, like,
charge,
some of the-
similar to your different hair. It puts the same charge in each one of your hair, pieces of hair, and so they repel from one another. So similar charges repel, just like how these packaging peanuts are kind of repelling from one another. So
Okay.
it's actually fairly cool. So I figured,
Would this work for popcorn, Jeff?
well, it probably would work for popcorn.
So I can imagine putting that in there and trying to catch it.
Oh yeah, I mean it worked for anything. Like you can put like Rice Krispie treats on here, as long as
Oh.
it's small,
Okay.
and that way you can
Yeah,
actually
there we
generate.
go.
Yeah, so you could imagine if you had some popcorn, it would work fairly well, right? Yeah, exactly. I don't know how old these Rice Krispie treats are, Chris. I don't know if I'd want to eat them.
I eat just about anything. Very cool. What's going on with you guys, Jeff, at the Imagination Station, as we get ready to round out the new year?
Well, we are still on our best, most fun time of the year, which is Frostology, which is going
Yeah.
till January 3rd.
Okay.
And so it's kind of the science of the holiday season. I really love it. We do all kinds of different holiday kind of themed things with snow and even decorative stuff. Like you learn how to make three-dimensional origami snowflakes, which are really, really cool.
Because we're not seeing snowflakes outside.
There's, like, no
We might as
snowflakes.
well go inside the Imagination Station to learn a little bit
You
more
can
about
make some
that.
snow at Imagination Station with some instant snow.
All right, Jeff. Appreciate that one. Stay with us. We have more WT11 Your Day coming back in just a moment.
So, in this video we saw about electrostatic generator. In the next one we will be seeing about introduction to impulse wave. So, thank you.